right, we are out here. Everybody joining Joe's 50th birthday. Birthday. So we are going to get started. We were out here trying to set up since when? 6 a.m. and we are tired. We tired. All right, so we are going to take y'all this L-carnitine shot, except for Jazz. That's all right. Except for Jazz, but she's here, right? She already had her vitamins, right? She had the Nutra Plus vitamins. So we're going to toast to our L-carnitine shot. Cheers. Let's go. Woo! Birthday. Cheers to an amazing day. Tailgating here. If you want to do anything, donate to our organization. We are the PearFoundation.org. That's what Joe